Are you struggling to capture a video of a specific window on your Mac? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge, especially when trying to share content from applications like Google Hangouts. Today, we're going to explore how to capture a video of a specified window in macOS. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you want to share just one window, but all you can capture is the entire screen. This is a common issue, and you're definitely in the right place to find a solution. Let's dive into the specific questions you have. You want to know how to modify the sample code to capture a specific window, and whether it's possible to capture multiple windows at the same time. Sound familiar? Let's tackle these questions together. To understand this better, we need to look at how screen capturing works in macOS. The default methods often capture the entire screen or a specified area, but capturing a specific window requires a bit more finesse. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your screen capturing even easier. You won't want to miss it. To capture a specified window in macOS, the user should first ensure they have the necessary permissions. This includes allowing screen recording for the application that will be capturing the video. Next, the user needs to modify the existing code to target a specific window. This can be done by using the CG window list copy window info function to get the list of windows and their properties. After identifying the desired window, the user should set up the capture session. This involves creating an AV capture session and adding an AV capture screen input for the specified window. If the user wants to capture multiple windows simultaneously, they can add multiple AV capture screen input instances to the same session. Each input should correspond to a different window. Finally, the user should start the session and handle the output. This includes configuring the output settings and starting the recording process. Fun fact, did you know that the first screen capture software was developed in the late 1980s? It's amazing how far technology has come since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that capturing a video of a background window using AV Foundation may not be possible without creating a custom subclass of AV capture input. However, you can take a screenshot of a background window using the CG window list create image function from the Core Graphics framework. The son of Grab sample code from Apple could be useful for this. Here's that pro tip I promised. Always test your setup before going live. This way, you can ensure everything is working smoothly and avoid any embarrassing moments during your presentation. And there you have it. You now know how to capture a specific window on your Mac and even how to capture multiple windows. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to keep experimenting with your screen capturing skills.